What's going on, mi gente? Louis the Boiler Man here. Guys, we here in Boulder, New York. We got the call, Louis, we have no air conditioning. So I get to the house and this is it. It's an old carrier unit, 150,000 BTU furnace with a 8-coil on top. As you guys can see, it's a very old unit. I looked at the manufacturing date. The manufacturing date is 1986. So it's a bit old. So it's time and it's due for an upgrade. But aside from that, I want to show you guys. So listen, we got the call and I checked everything out. So I confirmed this power going to the transformer. We have 24 volts and I have power going to the actual relay or the board right here, the control. This is an old style control board. It looks like a Frankenstein control board because it's old. And we're calling for cooling because I have the thermostat on the cooling setting and I made it call for cooling. It's not turning on. But I come over here, I make sure we have 24 volts, which I do have 24 volts. I make sure we have power going to the board, which we do, but we have no power coming out. So that already automatically tells me the board is already bad. But I take it one step further. I want to check the blower motor because she told me, Louis, one day I was smelling something burning and it just got heavier and heavier. It was just burning. So sure enough, when I checked her out, it's a 115 volt blower motor. The blower motor shot as well as the board, and that smell that she got, that burning smell, is actually coming from the board and it's on the motor. The motor just is bad and the wines just start burning up and it's naturally lingering through the ducts. So that's the smell that she's getting. Let's put that to the side. Aside that it's old, beside that the blower motor is bad as well as the control board. Also, check this out. It's old, corrosion. We have holes in the exhaust. We have also corrosion. I checked it out. There's a hole in the heat exchanger. So that right away condemns it immediately. Why? Because you can have carbon monoxide mixing into your ducts. That's carbon monoxide poisoning. You hurt somebody, kill somebody. So aside from it being old, anything can be repaired, but the age, the condition is not worth it. But to condemn, to put the nail in the coffin is because there's a hole in the heat exchanger and that's it. You have to replace the unit. And besides, it's old, it's like a money pit. So guys, again, even if you could fix it, that's okay. But the minute you have a hole in the heat exchanger, safety is always first. Safety is my first concern. And I want nobody to get hurt because especially we're about to go into the heating season next month or so. She turns it on. There's a hole in the exhaust pipe. There's a hole in the heat exchanger. Somebody could get hurt. So guys, this is what I mean. Always look at the job as a whole, as a whole spectrum of things. And just, always cover your eyes, check yourself, check everything, check that everything's working okay, is what I'm trying to get to. So guys, stay tuned. Hit our YouTube channel, hit the bell button, subscribe, leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Woo-wee! Wepa!